Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel, This It Capsules. Hope you all are safe and healthy. In this video, I am going to talk about the legality of the 59 apps banned by the Government of India through the Ministry of Electronic and Information Technology. So, let's get started. On June 29th, in a dramatic release of a press conference by Ministry of Electronic and Information Technology directing a ban on 59 Chinese applications including the most popular apps such as TikTok, UC Browser, Cam Scanner and Me Community Store. This means that these applications will not be able to accessible on both iOS and Android devices across India. However, there is a major concern about the legality of this step by the Government of India. Interestingly, Government of India banned the 59 application under Section 69A of the Information Technology Act, read with the relevant provision of the Information Technology Procedure and Safeguard for Blocking of Access of Information by Public Rules 2009. It is important to mention that the press release does not mention any specific rule under IT rules of 2009. Even though Rule 9 mentions about the blocking on information in case of emergency, it is hard to believe that the government did not choose to mention the said rule. Now, if we look again at the section 69A of the IT Act, it allows the government to block content when it believes that a particular content threatens the security of the state, the sovereignty, integrity or defense of India, friendly relationships with foreign states, public order, or to prevent incitement of the commission of a conscionable offense relating to any of the above. This ban is a strong move against China due to the major tensions on the border. But there are some interesting facts that could not be ignored. Those are no mention of tension against China in the press release of 29th June. This is very interesting. Also, no mention of concrete grounds of threat to the Indian users and sending the data to the Chinese government from the banned apps. So, whatever the list they have given, there is no concrete evidence that the data was being sent to the Chinese government. The IT Rules 2009 specifically provided for a defined process of notice, hearing and reason order. No steps were taken as per the rules 2019. So the press release only states that they have received some complaints from various sources about the misuse of some mobile applications available on Android and iOS devices that can threaten the economy and sovereignty of the India. I believe this is not enough to be qualified as a reasoned order as per the IT rules of 2009. However, the Government of India outrightly banned the 59 applications without even doing a proper investigation. Moreover, after the ban on these applications, the report came from the Chinese media that this will only hurt the Indians who are working for these applications in India. To be honest, banning TikTok was a really wise move. Since India is a democratic country, unlike China, do you consider the outright ban is justified without having any proper evidence against these Chinese apps? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. That's it for this video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Till then, peace out.